Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add or remove card on Temu. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add or remove a card on Temu, all you gotta do is simply open a web browser and simply tap open your Temu app or Temu account. So once you have opened your Temu, you need to now simply navigate to your account settings, or once you have done this, you can simply directly go to your payment method within the app or website. So once you are there, you can either add a new card by filling in the necessary information or remove an existing card by selecting it and then choosing delete or remove. So once you are in your payment method option, you can see there are some options that have been showing you the cards that you have been added. So you can find an option called add a new card. Simply tap on it to add it, and you can find an option called remove. So simply tap on it to remove that particular card on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.